Dr. Emma Sky, OBE, is a distinguished scholar, educator, and expert in conflict resolution, reconciliation, and stability in the Middle East. She is the director of Yale University's Maurice R. Greenberg World Fellows Program and a senior fellow at the Jackson Institute for Global Affairs, where she lectures on Middle East politics and international security. Her work focuses on governance, security sector reform, and the role of international interventions in conflict zones. Dr. Sky has served in several high-profile advisory roles, including as advisor to the Commanding General of U.S. Forces in Iraq from 2007 to 2010, advisor to NATO's International Security Assistance Force in Afghanistan in 2006, and advisor to the U.S. Security Coordinator for the Middle East Peace Process in 2005. She also worked as the Governorate Coordinator of Kirkuk for the Coalition Provisional Authority in Iraq from 2003 to 2004, playing a key role in governance and stabilization efforts. She holds academic credentials from Oxford University, United Kingdom, Alexandria University, Egypt, the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, Israel, and the University of Liverpool, United Kingdom. Her experience extends beyond academia to hands-on fieldwork in the Palestinian territories, where she spent a decade contributing to institutional development and promoting coexistence initiatives between Israelis and Palestinians. Dr. Sky is the author of The Unraveling: High Hopes and Missed Opportunities in Iraq, released in 2015, and In a Time of Monsters, travels through a Middle East in revolt, released in 2019, both of which provide critical insights into conflict governance and foreign intervention in the Middle East. Her writings have appeared in prominent publications such as the New York Times, Foreign Affairs, and The Guardian. In recognition of her contributions to Iraq's post-war rebuilding efforts, Dr. Sky was appointed an Officer of the Order of the British Empire, OBE, in 2008. She continues to shape global policy and academic discourse through her research, publications, and mentorship of future leaders in international affairs. Dr. Sky served as a faculty member of the School of Politics, Policy and Governance, SPPG, where she teaches the following courses: the world order and how it is changing systems and foreign policy, conflict prevention and resolution, and Africa regional dimension.